learners, this is Binduprava Sahu. Welcome to SNEB'S Biology. In the previous class, we have discussed about the various components which are present inside a plant cell and an animal cell. तो आज हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे कि वो जो वेरियस कंपोनेंट्स हम प्रीवियस क्लास में पढ़े थे उसे याद रखने का एक तरीका, एक ट्रिक मैं आप लोगों को बताऊंगी और फिर हम डिस्कस करेंगे कि कैसे हम एक प्लांट सेल को इजीली ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू दोज स्ट्रक्चर्स. ओके, so let's start with the trick first. For this trick you have to remember a sentence. The sentence is Mrs. Morris was one of the women who submitted her CV for college. Okay, remember this sentence. Mrs. Morris was one of the women who submitted her CV for college. In this sentence, we have to remember the letters which I have written in block letters, right? Mrs. from Mrs. MR, from Morris M, then woman, then CV and then college. Okay, कॉलेज COLLEGE होता है, राइट, कॉलेज, लेकिन शॉर्ट में हम लोग CLG लिखते हैं, ये तो सबको पता होगा. ओके, सो नाउ लेट्स नो द फुल फॉर्म्स. सो हाउ मेनी M's आर देयर? 1, 2 and 3. There are 3 M's. 3 M's. The first one is for mitochondria. Mitochondria. The second M is for microtubule. Okay, the third one is for microfilaments. Okay, then R. R for ribosome. R for ribosomes. Okay, then come to W. W is for wall. That is most probably the cell wall. I have written only the wall. Okay. Then O. O for outline. Outline we will make it in the beginning of the while drawing the diagram. Okay. Then E. E for endoplasmic reticulum. Then N. N for nucleus. Okay. Then come to C. How many C's are there? There are 2 C's. Okay. There are 2 C's. The first C is for chloroplast. Okay. And the second C is for cell membrane. Okay. Then come to V. V is for vacuole. Then come to L. L is for lysosome. Then G. G is remain, right? G for Golgi body. Some also says that Golgi bodies, but it's okay. Okay. So how many structures are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Using these 11 components of the cell, we will draw the diagram of a typical eukaryotic plant cell. Okay. Now, let's draw the diagram. So, to draw a eukaryotic plant cell, let's begin with the outline. Okay. Remember O? O for outline. So, consider the plant cell to be the hexagonal. Okay, so let's draw a benzene ring. Okay, this is the benzene ring. So now, then we will draw the cell wall and the cell membrane. Okay, cell wall and the cell membrane. Cell wall is present outside of the cell, right? And the cell membrane is inside to the cell wall. So first let's draw the cell membrane. This is the membrane. Okay. Okay. Now this is the adjacent cell wall. This is the adjacent cell. This is the adjacent cell. पास में जो सेल होंगे उनका, तो ये हो गया उनका मेम्ब्रेन. ओके. Then this cell and this cell or one cell is connected to the neighboring cell by the plasmodesmata. Okay, so we will draw plasmodesmatic structures like this. These are the plasmodesmata. Clear? There are many plasmodesmata. I am drawing only one. Okay. Then now let's draw the vacuole and the nucleus outline. The outline of the vacuole and the outline of the nucleus. So vacuole is the large centrally placed and nucleus is the spherical structure, right? So let's this be the nucleus and this is the vacuole. Clear? So this is the only outline structure of the nucleus and the vacuole. We will not disturb the vacuole. Okay. Now let's draw the nucleus completely. Okay. So it is a spherical structure. So in the three-dimensional structure we will draw. So let's draw the nuclear membrane. The nucleus consists of two membranes, outer membrane and inner membrane, and there is also the presence of nuclear pore. Right. So let's make pore first, then we will make the membranes. Now, this is the membrane along with the pores. Okay, clear? Surrounding the nucleus present the endoplasmic reticulum. So there are two types of endoplasmic reticulum, rough and smooth. Clear? What is the rough endoplasmic reticulum? Where the ribosomes are present. That kind of endoplasmic reticulum is called as rough endoplasmic reticulum, or in short form we call it as RER. Okay. So endoplasmic reticulum is a structure which is similar to H or I. Let's draw this. One eye, then another eye here, another structure, and these are structure. Some are free. Okay, some are free. So if we are drawing the rough endoplasmic reticulum, then we will draw some ribosomes on it. So these are the ribosomes which are attached to the endoplasmic reticulum. Okay. Clear? Now let's draw the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum are devoid of any ribosome. Clear? These are some smooth endoplasmic reticulum. There are no ribosomes present in it. Okay. Now, considering the axis, in the middle present the nucleolus. Okay. Clear? Then there are many chromatin networks inside the nucleus. Okay, this is the diagram of the nucleus along with rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Now let's draw the mitochondria. Okay, how the mitochondria looks? It's a bean-like structure which has inner compartments. Okay, there are two compartments, inner and outer compartments. So let's draw the mitochondria. This is the mitochondria. There are many mitochondria lying. Let's not draw this here. I am drawing only two mitochondria. The number of mitochondria depends upon the activity or the metabolic activity of the cell. Okay. So there are compartments inner to the mitochondria. Okay. Looking like this. We will draw horizontal line, then make it inward, pinch it towards in, then horizontal line, then inwards, then again horizontal line, then inwards. ऐसे करके हम draw करेंगे the mitochondria. Okay. Now let's draw the chloroplast. So the chloroplast, what happens inside the chloroplast? Photosynthesis takes place. Okay. So there are some coin-like structures inside the chloroplast. Coins. We will draw piles of coins. Okay. Piles of coins. These are the grana. Okay. Inside the thylakoid membrane. Okay. This is the chloroplast. Now let's draw the Golgi body, okay, which we call as the dictyosome. So Golgi body are generally tube-like structure, tubular structure. Okay, these are the Golgi body. Clear? Okay, these are the Golgi bodies. Then comes to the lysosome. So lysosome are small rounded structure present in a scattered manner inside the cell. So these are the lysosome. These are the lysosome. Then there are some free ribosomes also present inside the cell. So let's draw these free ribosomes. Okay, these are the free ribosomes found inside the cell. Okay. Clear? Now, let's draw the microtubules and the microfilament, which are the last structure we have to draw. Okay. So, microtubules, as the name suggests, small tubular structures. Okay. So, these are like this. Let's free up some space here. These are the microtubules. Tube-like structures. Okay. Then the microfilaments. We will draw some filaments like this. Clear? These are some microfilaments. Okay. Clear? This is the diagram which involves all the structure present inside the cell. A typical plant cell. These are the minimum structures that we have to draw when it comes in the examination. Okay. So next we will what? We will name all the, we will do the labeling. Okay. Now what is this? It is the adjacent cell wall. Okay. Now what is this? It is the cell wall of this cell. Okay. This is the cell wall. Then this is the cell membrane or the plasma membrane. This is the plasmodesmata. Plasmodesmata. Okay. These all structures come under the what? Outline. Okay. Now, what is this? This is the nucleus. Nucleus. Then these are the two membranes of the nucleus. So what we call the membrane of the nucleus? We call it as the nuclear membrane. Okay. So this is the nuclear membrane. Okay. Now, then there is the pore between the two nuclear membrane. Okay, so what is this? This pore is called as the nuclear pore. Nuclear pore. Okay. Now, what is present inside the nucleus is the nucleolus. So this is what? This is the nucleolus. And these are the chromatin networks. I am writing it here. Chromatin network. Okay? Clear? Now, what are these? These are the rough endoplasmic reticulum. We can say it as the RER. That is the rough endoplasmic reticulum. And what are these? These are the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So, these are the SER. That is the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Okay. Then, come to these structures. Structures of this side. What are these? This is the lysosome. Lysosome. This is the what? Mitochondria. Then what is this? Oh, I have forgotten this. This is the what? Golgi body or the Golgi complex. Okay? Clear? Now, what are these? These are the microtubules. And these are the microfilaments. Clear? Microtubules, microfilaments and the mitochondria. These are the 3 M's, right? So, this is the lysosome. Then, what are these small structures? These are the ribosomes. Okay? And this is the chloroplast. Clear? Then, what is this? This is the vacuole. Overall, this is the vacuole. It has 2 parts. Inside is called as the cell sap and the outer one is called as the stonoplast. Okay? So, this is the cell sap. Okay? And this one is the tonoplast. I have labeled the diagram all the way, but only in the examination to make it more beautiful, you should draw all the labelings in the right side of your diagram. Okay, that will be very attractive. Okay, all the labelings should be at one side, more preferably to the right side. Okay, so this is the structure of the cell, a typical eukaryotic plant cell. Okay, you remember the trick? Then how to draw it is very easy. You all can do it. If I can do it, you all can do it, right? Okay, so this is the structure of the plant cell. So this much for today's class. In this class, we have discussed about the trick to remember the various components inside the plant cell, and we also learned how to draw the diagram of a typical eukaryotic plant cell. There are only 12 components, remember that. And in those 12 components, there are various structures. And the extra structures are what? Your plasmodesmata, which I have not included. That is, that come under the outline part. Okay. Then inside the nuclear part, there is the nuclear pore, nuclear membrane. Okay. Then the chromatin network. Okay. तो आप लोगों के लिए एक अनाउंसमेंट है, हमारा ऑनलाइन रजिस्ट्रेशन स्टार्ट हो चुका है फॉर ऑनलाइन कोचिंग क्लासेस विच विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 3rd of August 2020. सो आप लोग डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में जाइए, वहां पे लिंक्स दिए हुए हैं फॉर द इंफॉर्मेशन ब्रोशर एंड द रजिस्ट्रेशन फॉर्म एंड ऑल्सो द फी स्ट्रक्चर. ऑल आर देयर इनसाइड इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. Go there and check out. In the online coaching classes, we will teach you all the syllabus which are included in your class. Okay, we will not only teach the cell biology or the physiology or the morphology part. We will teach all the syllabus of your class. Okay, so like, share this video with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get all the updates. Thank you.